No.
If you don't recognise me, so I've got my glasses off. But where are we today?
Lizard Beach.
Lizard Beach. Hey, we've only ever been here once, I think, many years ago. So we don't know really what we're doing. So that's a good start to a vlog, isn't it? We don't know what we're doing, but whatever we do, we'll show you. So come on, let's get on with the day.
It's been snowing.
Yeah, weird. Over here with the shade. $54.99. How much is one of them?
$20.
$20? That's one of these, is it?
Yeah.
You do get it?
No, that's a floaty one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, so that one don't inflate around the edges?
No.
And that's $20.
$20, yeah.
Yeah, might be worth getting it actually.
Yeah.
Oh, they've got plenty of sea shoes. But I got mine from Walmart the other day. They're sea shoes inside Crocs. I'm the height of fashion, me. And of course, a must. A must for something like today. So it's going to get up to 30 degrees. It's about 21 now. What a beautiful day, eh?
It really is, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's been snowing though.
Oh dear. When did that all fall? Okay, so standard lockers 10 or large is 15. What do you want? 15.
3150.
Okay. I agree to terms and conditions. Swipe credit card.
Hang on.
Okay, so swipe credit card or pay on cash on this one. This is the only one that's got cash amongst all these along here. Once you put your code in, it gives you a receipt, okay? And then we'll just go and find our locker.
Most fun, trust me.
So you put your code in, which you said it was going to be. You can come back to this as many times throughout the day, collect your stuff.
Right.
Too early for a donut.
$5.99 for 6.
$5.99 for 6. These are people getting out the lazy river down here. What a lazy lot. Here we go, this is what we're going to be in mostly today. A lazy river. Looks so beautiful. Baby, I love your way every day. Baby girl. Baby, I love your way every day. Is this what paradise looks like?
Probably.
Look at all these palm trees. Beautiful. Right. I've got my shirt on so I don't get sunburnt. There she is. Right, you ready to go in and have a little bit of watery fun?
Why not?
Why not? Coca-Cola pub. I assume it's just soft drinks, I don't know.
We don't have still one anymore. So are all the collections? Okay. I don't think that the coffee shop.
Are you Pamela Anderson?
Not really. Don't you put me on the internet.
As a meme.
Head and shoulders, that's all you
Head
can
and
have today.
shoulders. No behind.
No, nothing else. Come on! No.
As we go deeper into the depths, there's children, there's adults, there's silliness. Oh, sorry! Just trod on a child. But hey, what's more important, treading on children or filming this lot for you? Oh, it is a bit nippy. God, good job it's going to be 30 degrees today. Woohoo! Well, you still seem to be recording after being dipped in the water. So, we're in the wave machine, bobbing along. So, they have lifeguards on duty, just in case anyone's a div.
Down the lazy river?
Where are you? What?
Down the lazy river?
Lazy river, you say?
Yeah.
You've had enough of bobbing along.
I don't really like wave pools.
Oh, why did we come here?
Because of the lazy river.
Because of the lazy river, yeah. Right, let's go lazy.
Okay. Right.
So, what you been waiting for? What you been going on about?
Lazy river.
Lazy river. That's just, it's so lovely. Like all these shrubs and everything, and just the palm trees. Oh, it's just beautiful around here. Right, let's go down here. Right, down the steps. Remember, kids, I ain't got my glasses on, so it takes me a bit longer to see what I'm doing. Well, you know, I've had worse days floating around in the lazy river. In my chair.
I
don't know where Fiona is. I think I've lost her. Hello. How you doing?
Alright, yeah.
You loving it?
I prefer a ring, you know.
Well, don't we all?
I don't like them chairs.
A ring donut in your case.
Yeah. Everything I like is in rings.
Yeah.
Ring in the...
Yeah, on your finger and all.
Ring on my finger.
Yeah.
Rings on my finger. Ring donut.
Yeah.
A ring in the lazy river. Not bad.
I've had worse days. Where all your cares float away. Oh. Here we go. I won't need to shower later now. Yeah, your hair's hardly wet. Did you get away with it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Pushed you into it.
Yeah, I can see that.
Right. Where are we going now?
Get some lunch.
Lovely.
Ooh,
Let's do
So
it.
did you enjoy the lazy river? So did you enjoy the lazy river?
Yeah, I love the lazy river.
Yeah, I got a little bit wet. Someone else said, you're dry as a bone.
No, I got wet.
Right, lunch.
Don't shout in my
Lunch.
bleeding. Don't shout in my
Lunch.
ear. Oh, you're hideous.
Lunch.
How'd you turn it round now?
Don't know, but we're going to lunch.
Lunch.
So, someone's went to get lunch.
Yeah.
Look at this fair.
I wanted chicken strips, but I didn't have it. And then I just saw kids meal and I was like, yes.
We are officially kids. Did you say we're two big kids?
I didn't know.
Oh, you should have played that card. You never know. Look at you all excited about your chicken strip.
I'm very excited. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to clap then. I hate it when people do that, but
But
I'm
you're
excited.
doing it. And a cookie. I suppose that comes with the kids' meal, doesn't it?
Disney have totally got rid of the skin on fries, which is amazing.
Right,
Love
so
it.
let's enjoy this. So this is where we got our lunch from. They do mobile ordering. They do walk-up ordering as well.
Yeah, which is
Yeah.
what we did, yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's where we got it. The burger and chips were $13.
I
What
love
was the kids'
mobile.
meal?
8.
$8.
Well, that was good because you got a drink and a side. You could have a little mandarin orange or applesauce, fries, and a cookie.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
good. So anyway, that's where we got it from. Right, so let's just have a little walk around, see what else they've got here. We're not really into doing all the slides and all that, are we?
No.
We're more lazy river kind of people.
Yeah, there's the biggest one.
Summit Plummet, right at the top there. We'll give you a better view of it, but let's just try and zoom in. Summit Plummet. Never been up there, never will. Okay, restrooms and dressing rooms all along here. Little places you can buy towels and beach paraphernalia, sand breakers they're called. They've got flip-flops in there and various items, like this parasol you can buy as well. Selection of towels, all Disney merch of course. Currently no lost children. So there's all the ski lift coming from and up to Summit Plummet up there. It's quite a long line for it. That's where you get on down here at the station. Takes you all the way up to the top there. All the way up there. Another food station. Glazed almonds or pecans for $5.99. Mickey shaped pretzel with cheese sauce for $7.99. There we go. Have a lunch, will ya? The refill stations here as well. $13 for the day to get a refill cup. So that's not too bad. Ski patrol training camp. The people are going up on these orange tubes, coming to the end here, and then all coming down these slides here. Well, it's really well themed. Look at this, really good. Toilets dotted around the place. Right, I wonder what's down here. Yeah, the music is great actually. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what that was, but the music's great. Okay, so it looks like you can rent out certain areas. So this one called Polar Patio. I mean, you've got all this. It's not really private though, is it? Because you're still on the main concourse, if you like. So people are still walking past and everything. But it's a nice little area. So if you want to have one of these, it says visit beach house for more information. Got a little fridge over there. There's another one of the patios. Oh, look where it is. Just at the end is a massive slide. Just down there. See people coming down it. I shan't film, I'll put my finger over them. But, oh look, how good is that? Amazing, isn't it? This is where we came earlier in the lazy river, and I got soaked. Oh look! Oh! Blimey. Who knew this was here? Not me. And there's just loads of places to sit, just, you know, just unexpectedly so. And this is a Sunday today, and it's not even really hugely packed, is it? You'd think it'd be. No, we just, well, Fiona just had a look at the wait times, didn't you? And they're not actually, it's not too bad. The only place about this park is they're still playing a lot of Christmas music, and I don't know why. Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
All right, so Christmas music in March. And look at that. Jeez. I mean, I don't know what sort of psycho you got to be to do that. All this down there.
That's not the problem, it's that Summit Planet.
Do you want to do it though?
No.
Really?
My water park slide days are over.
Yeah. I mean, I would, but she's just holding me back. And I just got sprinkled on by these. So what did you say after I said you was holding me back?
I didn't hear you said that, but that's awful.
I'm only, you know, obeying your wishes.
I'm more than happy.
I don't want to go against your wishes. If you don't want me to, I won't do it. I won't. Just stop going on about it, all right? God, I get the message. So they're all carrying their own tubes up there, and then they'll be coming down. Oh, there's. Look, I understand you don't want me to do it. You don't want to be left a widow. This is what you're saying, right? You want me to come back in one piece. So what you're saying, I'm reading between the lines. You're saying don't do it, but you're trying to be supportive by saying do it. It's not rocket science, I get it. Oh, there's skis. Oh, well, if there's skis, I might as well go skiing. Oh, damn, it don't come off, otherwise I would have gone. Wow. That was good. There we go, and back to the main wave pool where we started. Baby, come back. Baby, come back. Baby, come back. So that's Blizzard Beach done.
Yeah.
Not as good as Typhoon Lagoon, but an acceptable substitute, I feel. Yeah.
Our only choice.
Our only choice, really. Anyway, I quite enjoyed it. It was nice and relaxing.
Lovely.
Yeah, the lazy river was lovely.
I like I preferred the soundtrack to it all.
Yeah, she
Lots
couldn't
of
stop
reggae
bopping away all the way around this
I was
one.
bopping,
Yeah. But yeah, so really nice. So yeah, an acceptable substitute. Where are we going to be next time? You'll have to watch and find out, won't you? Ta-ra.